guys, welcome back to my channel, Pesca Vegan Traveler. So we're about to go flying over Mount Everest. You will get to see what I see. We're going to climb up over Mount Everest. Oh, those are cars. Those are cars. That's a road. Right there. Wow. Like I'm on top of that mountain there. Oh my gosh. These mountains are what you say white cap. They're covered with snow. Everest is over there. At the very, very top, the triangle. Over there, the triangular tip is Mount Everest. Trying to see that now. Amazing. You guys are actually flying over the mountain. Ah. That one far over there, it looks blue. That one right there, it looks like blue. Wow, guys. Oh, on the right side. This will certainly humble anybody. Put you in check so you know that you're just a dot. A speck. This is what we call majestic. Cloud for days. Look what I got. Look, I did it.